So if I were to go around and click on compose right here, and let's say for example, type in a mail, type in a subject and hit send, then you can see that undo is an option. So I can click on this and you can see that the sending is undone, meaning the message is unsent, and you can edit it once more. You can go around and click on send right here and you can see the undo right here for a certain time. But after a certain time, the undo option is not there anymore. So by default, the undo is only possible for 5 seconds. But if you want to go around and change the amount of time for the undo option, then you can go around over here under settings right here. So you might want to have more time to hit that undo button in case you mistakenly send out the email. So once you go to all setting right here under the undo send, you can see that the send cancellation period right now is set to 5 seconds. So instead of 5 seconds, you can go around and set it to 30 and click on save right here. Once you do that, now you'll get the undo option for 30 of total seconds. So if I were to go to compose right here and type in, let's say for example, TutorTube3 and type in something right here and hit send, then you can see the undo option right here. And it will stay there for 30 seconds before this closes down. You can view the message that opens up the message and disables the undo, but now this undo button does not disappear, as you can see right here immediately, just like before, giving you more time to make that decision. So if I were to click on undo now, sending will be undone, and then you will have the time to rectify your mistake and then send again, and you'll be given another 30 minutes again. Then once the message is sent, and if you're sure that you want to send the message, you can wait 30 seconds and the undo will disappear. Or if you were to click on view message, the undo option now won't be available anymore, but you will see the message that is sent. And that is how you can utilize the undo send option and then change the timing of the undo send option inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.